Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram, iPhone and Android. If you want to enable the sensitive content on Telegram, you need to follow some steps. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Now, tap on the three bars icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings. Then, tap on Chat Settings. This section allows you to control how your chat is showing you on Telegram. Inside the chat settings, scroll down. After that, it will show you the other settings option. You will find the Show 18+ content option. Hit the toggle button to enable the content restriction. Confirm that you are over 18 years old, and update your settings to see potentially explicit and sensitive content. Lastly, confirm this and it will enable sensitive content on Telegram, iPhone and Android. Once you have made these changes, go back to your feed, and you can see the content warning is removed. Every type of photo or video will show up immediately without being blurred or blocked by a caution message. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.